45 bucks.
45 bucks.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I don't want this car to have SP. I want it to meter okay, but I want playing low.
That's what I did yesterday because my fucking tech started taking off.
It's pretty different that you've got. Is this mid bass?
Yes.
Boxes?
Yeah, for
Two eights.
the 8s.
Sweet. What is this? Is 10 rated at? The power?
8K RMS and
8,000 watts RMS.
We'll take a 20K burp at 5 seconds.
Jeez.
I mean, I can clip. I can go ahead and soft clip on this amp on this sub.
Full tilt play.
Was it a 3 or 4 inch coil?
4.
Wow, I didn't know they even had those.
It
Wow.
weighs
It's an 8.
73.4 pounds or 74.3. One of the two.
Really?
You're
Man,
exactly right.
that's probably one of the beefiest 10s out there. Top 5.
You know
It's
why?
the
You know
width
why?
of the motor.
Somebody just made it. Custom
Built
made.
by me.
The width of the motor is exactly 10.03 inches.
So it
Really?
slides, right? It's like
you
Oh.
have to wiggle it to get it in the hole.
slap some
And then
butter
you've got-
on it and slide
You
it.
don't
Yeah.
have no real wood
Yeah.
surface at this point to screw it in.
Let's take a picture.
And the 8s in there for the mid bass,
Yeah.
they're custom built by me too. Hand built.
So you would say this is probably one of the loudest 10s port score, but not sealed score?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once they start when we're allowed to start demoing, I definitely would love for you
Yeah,
guys
man.
to get a video of like on the
Yeah.
SQ level, because like you know how SPL builds, you get real loud and like sometimes you hear distortion in the mids and highs and everything. With this, it's like almost front row at a concert. Like it's clarity wise. Really nice.
What did it peak at in the port? What frequency?
41.
Really? Wow.
Here, I actually got here. This was.
The box is tuned for 40. So it's I peaked when the port
I was gonna say, do you have a picture or a video clip of the?
I got a picture from yesterday on the.
I didn't even want my music.
Right there, Cody Keith.
Holy crap.
In here to work.
Cody Keith, a 72.2 port score, 41. Holy smokes! What was the previous record?
I
didn't wanna
don't
see it from
know,
outside.
but I know the one guy before he ran did a 171.
Man, so wow, yeah. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around and discussion we just got on this single tenant subwoofer, a really beefy tenant sub. Didn't get to be able to see the subwoofer actually removed from the box, so I can't show you a close-up of it, but it's definitely impressive, the SPL score they got out of it. If you haven't already, go ahead and give them a like. They've definitely done a good job showcasing at the show, as well as comment. Let them know what you think about their system. So this is an 8-inch aero port for a 10-inch subwoofer. The thing probably weighs at least 60 pounds. I don't know the exact weight. And there's a little shot of the motor of the sub. It was the exact same diameter pretty much of the sub mount point. So it's pretty impressive they fit it in there. And they hit a 172.2 at 41 hertz in the port. So this is probably the loudest subwoofer meter score I've ever seen for a 10-inch subwoofer in the port. Definitely not as loud as that when you play it on the glass or in the vehicle, but for the actual port score, that is pretty impressive. I like the little layout they have of the little mid-bass 8-inch subwoofers they have on each side of the box as well. Good variety of music, and the bandwidth was pretty decent on the video that you'll see when we play the demo. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos coming your way every day. This was at the TDH show in Virginia of 2021. Stay tuned for more videos and enjoy the bass demo.
I turned it off when we couldn't play, so I didn't have to worry about when we was coming in. I didn't want bass hit.
Oh, that's why you muted them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, they're unmuted now. I'm gonna start the song from the beginning. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
You got a song that hits harder on the sub? Yeah. Like that one that you were playing?
Well, that sounds fun.
Whatever one that you were
Are those little 8s?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And built by me.
Sweet.
But that song didn't really hit hard.
What one hit hard where it hit like really hard?
Probably my 8th one is. You think it's Bon Jovi? Probably it.
I don't know, whatever one. Play it.
I haven't had this YouTube. I think for years. Those ads are like 3 times louder than the song.
I know. Yeah, no problem.
And I did a 170 in the port.
172.2.
I would not want to put my head on that.
Nah, it's freaking impressive, you know?
Oh yeah. And that's a huge sub too. I appreciate you showing me, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Hopefully it stops raining. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.